Hey there fellows, Buddy's Bike here. I always wanted water effects when you're flying close to the water so that I can have formation flight with cool water effects and it would look so awesome. But the thing is, even in DCS and in VTOL there are no water effects when you're flying really close to the water. So what I did is use helicopters, and it turns out you do get water effects with the helicopters. So me and my buddy Gypsy did a formation flight as close as we can to the water. Now it did not end well, but it was a fun flight. So enjoy the video, fellas. Okay, let's do this.
Trying to blind you with my landing light here.
Oh, it's not blinding at all. It's very light. Okay, let's do this. You're gonna be the lead?
Yeah, if I lead and then you can see the water spray if you like.
Yeah. All right, right behind you.
Copy. Go and buzz the ship whilst we're out there too.
Yeah. You keep your collective to full, right?
Stay at about 90% collective, just so. Well, I'll keep it at 90. That way, if you need to catch up, you can.
Yeah.
And then if you want to slow down, you can just go.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Currently 10 feet above the water.
Yeah.
170 knots.
This is freaking awesome. Let's go between the ships.
Roger that. Oh, they're moving too.
Yeah, they're moving. I think you should brake left. Brake left. Oh, we're doing this.
I got this. I got this. Uh, 160 knots, 15 feet.
Whew, that was more like 5 feet.
Yeah, don't tell anyone. 10 feet, 160. Feet, 160.
Shit! I almost saw 0 feet on my HUD.
Yeah, don't think I get any lower. I think it's 0 feet. We're touching off.
Yeah. Wait, do I have my landing? Oh, I have my landing gears down.
Maybe that's why you're struggling to keep up. Yeah. But again, it shouldn't make much difference.
No, it's not making much difference. I was just thinking like it would hit the water first.
Over this ship too. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Woo! You can actually hold upside down. You know what? Let me try that. Actually, someone actually commented on one of the videos like.
Zero collective. Yeah,
nice. Well, that's not too hard.
Epic. Yeah, eventually you'll start to fall though.
Yes. Woof. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, I messed up. I messed up.
Still to work. No, just wait there. I'll come and pick you up.
All right.
Oh no, I think you're sinking.
I'm sinking. Let me open the doors and see if I can sink much faster. Woo! What's up?
Come back. Stop moving. Reach out and grab my hand.
And you're in too.
Oh, I'm here too. Oops.
We could try doing this and maybe it'll put you on the water.
Can't reach. Yeah. Okay, so if I bail, let's see what it does.
You just see an explosion, and I can still see you while you're in the helicopter. So flying this helicopter can get a little tedious, but this helicopter is just so much fun to fly. So guys, let me know in the comments below what you want to see next for VTOL VR. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Buddy's Bike out.